In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. If your friends list has gotten a little crowded, or you simply want to curate who appears on your in-game leaderboard, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove someone cleanly and confidently. Start by opening Monopoly Go and heading to the main board screen. Look toward the bottom right of the screen for the friends icon. That's your hub for everything related to your in-game connections. Tap that icon, and from there, switch to the leaderboard section. This is important because the remove option lives within the leaderboard view rather than other friend-related tabs. Once you're on the leaderboard, scroll through your list and tap the name of the friend you want to remove. That tap opens their profile panel with a few options specific to that player. On this panel, look for the Remove button. When you tap Remove, the game will present a confirmation pop-up. This extra step helps prevent accidental removals. Go ahead and confirm, and the friend will be taken off your list immediately. A few helpful tips as you do this. If you don't see the Remove button right away, make sure you're definitely on the leaderboard view and that you tap the friend's name to open their profile panel, not just their avatar on the list. On smaller screens, you may need to scroll within the profile panel to reveal the button. If the interface looks different from what I'm describing, it could be due to a recent app update. Closing and reopening the app or checking for updates can help surface the latest layout. After removal, that player will no longer appear in your in-game friends list or on your personal leaderboard. This is a housekeeping action on your account, useful for keeping your social space relevant to the people you actively play with. If you change your mind later, you can always add the person again by sending a new friend request through the usual channels.